Saturday morning, July 3rd. Getting ready to cook up some food or already cooking up some food. Hey, listen, what I'm going to do, I'm going to set my camera and go, because see, I got my grill already going, okay? So therefore, we're going to turn the picture around to the grill in a minute. Hold on a second. Anyway, we got the little joker smoking over there. Smoke, smoke, smoke. And I'm going to put on my gloves here and raise this grill because there's going to be a bunch of smoke. Smoke, smoke. And I don't smoke, so why am I in all this smoke? Never have smoked anything. Don't do drugs, anything. Ooh, smoke. Back up. Do you see there? Do you see there? We got ribs, couple of steaks laying over there, and we just doing it. So I'm gonna put the camera on the stand, and I love cooking. I just love cooking. Matter of fact, I just love working. I just love working. Give me some work to do, and I will do it. Anyway, why the smoke? Get my little steaks right. Oh, that damn thing. I mean, that thing is burnt. You gotta take it off and hurry up and do something. In the house. Angel's boy put some chicks to Bob or something. She said she's gonna fix it. Hold my hand over that darn grill. I think the grill thought I was trying to be cooked, so this was like, okay, bring it on, big boy. How could you do? So anyway, this is what we do. See my sister tonight cook her food this morning, and mine is ready. And here she just not showing up. I just need to give her one of these ribs I got here and send her butter on with me. That's what I need to do. You know? All right.
Baby, can you be so blind? 'Cause I can love you better than no one else, and I can hold you tighter than she can. 'Cause I can love you better than no one else. 'Cause I got good love, and I can love you better than no one else, and I can hold you tighter than she can.
What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Happy 4th of July weekend, Independence Day weekend, whatever you want to call it. I hope you have a good one. I hope you enjoy yourself. And I'm spending time with family today. Yes, indeed. But I still have posts going up for you, so don't mind that. Y'all see my doggies in the background. They don't let me be, period. But anyway, you enjoy yourself, okay? Please keep on watching videos, and we'll see ya real soon. Bye. Yeah.
Finally made it. Those are my delicious beans right there. And then over here, oh, look at the ribs. Oh, look at the ribs. That's it. Ribs. And beans. And don't forget the slaw. Overall shot by y'all off the grill in the house, in my mouth. Yum, yum.
Oh, he don't even know. Baby, can you be so blind?
It is July the 3rd, y'all. It's 4th of July weekend. The girls got their pool and they're getting ready to hop in. Well, Cupcake has already gotten in the pool. So, I don't know what they're waiting on. I guess they're scared. She got your ball? Go get the other one. Go get the other toy. Cupcake, go get the other toy. Go get it. Poo. Put it in the poo. Come on. Put it in there. Get in there. Get in the pool. Come on, Cookie. Get in the water. Get in the water. Good girl. And that's the way it goes. Right now they're just in a standoff about the toys. Coco over there hogging the ball for now.
I know she coming back. She gotta be coming back. I'm just gonna wait right here till she come back.
Look at this dog. What's up, beautiful babes? It's 4th of July evening. What time is it? I don't even know. It's probably after 9-ish. But we are sitting outside and checking out the fireworks. This is in our yard, y'all. Look how much stuff is floating through the air. This is crazy. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. But anyway, I hope y'all are having a safe 4th of July. We are definitely staying safe. We're staying home. Definitely. All right. When they show up. Turn your light off. time I stop filming, then they start shooting again.
Stay away.
Nope. She watching her. She watching her head.